whip it like a ball. When it, stripping, take it off, dripping.
Sound so smart, like you graduated college, like you went to Yale, but you probably wonder how I knowing you. Weekend in Miami, trying to study by the pool. Couple things do, but you always get it done. Might have been a time where I loved her too, but you take that away and you always been the one. I wonder why the moon looks nice, girl. Maybe it's just right for the night. You see niggas coming on too strong, girl. They want you in their life as a wife. That's why you wanna have no sex, why you wanna protest, why you wanna fight for your right. Cause you don't love them boys, pussy run they think, fuck that.
Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video, and today we're going to take a break from the makeup and we're going to get into this hair. So this is my hairstyle from my last video, which was like a extreme glam makeup look. It was date night approved and it was like icy girlish. I don't know, it was a bunch of stuff. It was just really bomb. If you want to see that video, I'll have the link in the description bar, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, and I got a lot of good feedbacks on the hairdo, and I was like, why not do a video for you guys, since you guys obviously like the look. So I did a video on it, and this is the outcome. If you want to know how to do this look, make sure that you continue watching. But first, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. What you doing? Support a sister. And also thumbs up this video. Give me a big thumbs up. Comment below whether you like it or not, yay or nay. And I'm gonna shut up now. We're gonna get right into the video.
This is obviously a no-no, guys. So first I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle filled with water and a bunch of natural oils to soften and moisturize my hair. Then I'm gonna use a big tooth comb, not a small tooth comb, because you do not want to pull out your hair. And I'm gonna part my hair and focus on only one side. The other side is gonna be put into a ponytail, and then I'm gonna focus on the other side. First, I'm gonna start off by parting a slant right on the front of my hair, a very small one, not too big, not too small, but you can do whatever size you like. Before I put on my rubber band, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Eco Styler, and I'm going to put a little bit on my hair and slick it down just to hold everything together, and then I'm gonna go in with my rubber band. Now that our rubber band is on, we're going to twist the rest of our hair, and I realized that some people don't know how to twist, so I basically tried to do it slowly so people can like see how you do it. It's quite simple. I would hope that most of y'all knew how to twist, but if you do not, here you go. Moving on, we're basically going to do the same thing. Right now I'm just trying to part my hair. Once it's parted, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Eco Styler, and I'm going to use my little toothbrush for my edges to slick my hair all the way up into that ponytail, grip it real nice, not too tight because you don't want your hair to pull out, and then you're just going to add the front twist to the puff, well, the ponytail that you just made, and you're going to just put a rubber band over both of them. And now you're just going to twist, adding the first twisty together with the second twisty. You don't need to unravel it, but if you want to unravel it to make it easier, you can. And then we're just going to add that to the next twisty that we're going to make. We're only making 3, but you can make as many as you want. And I'm just going to repeat those steps for the last twist. When you get to the end, you want to unravel that twist because you no longer need it. And then I'm just going to go in with some Eco Styler and I rub it on my hands and slick the back of my hair up. And then I'm just going to comb it out, kind of like picking my hair because I don't want to fully comb it out because I don't want to mess up my curls. Then you're just going to add your scrunchie and put everything together. And then I'm going to add these little clips that I got from my beauty supply store. For the second half, you can just watch me go over it again. I'm not really going to explain it again because I already explained it. And not everyone likes voiceovers and likes to hear me talk. You know, some people might think my voice is annoying. So I'm going to shut up now and y'all can just watch me do this again.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So there's the do, and if you have 4C here, we have one extra step for you. We're going to pluck it out, and I'm going to do little finger coils, and I'm just going to continuously plucking it and pulling it and tugging it just so that we can get as little to no shrinkage because my hair can go from big to nothing in 0.5 seconds. Now I'm going to take my edge control, I'm going to apply it to my edges and get my little toothbrush and slick my edges down, and then I'm going to apply Eco Styler gel on top of that and slick it down again just because the Eco Styler gel kind of helps keep the edges nice and slick. You can just go in with Eco Styler gel or just edge control, but for some reason I like to do both. I don't know why, I just feel like it works for me.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Now that our edges are slayed to the gods and our puffs are litty, we're going to wrap our hair and just wait a few minutes until our edges dry. And I just pluck my hair again to limit my shrinkage. I'm telling you, 4C has the most shrinkage and it kills them, but I love my hair.
This is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. I like it. I think it's cute, simple, and easy. Like, the best thing to do is easy natural hairstyles because I'm lazy. So yeah, but if you want more easy, simple hairstyles like this, make sure you comment below, say more natural hairstyles, and make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Help us sister out, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to always be beautiful and love yourself.